We're focusing on the United States because we're a stage 4 country. Once you live in the United States, you're more likely going to see internal migration as far as your key characteristic, your key type. Now, while we have international migration, as far as those coming into the country, plays a key role in our overall population, those that actually live here, we see more internal migration. And we see interregional, so from one region to another trends, but we also see trends within a region. So for example, what's happening over time is you're seeing a westward expansion of the United States population. Over time, we slowly have moved to the west and to the south. We can see this in this map here that shows the mean center, the average center of the population over time. So each of those triangles represents the changing location as over time we've steadily moved to the west and to the south. And so one of the key trends we're going to see is deindustrialization, or the loss of industry in the northern and midwestern parts of the country, and then subsequently industrialization in the southern and more western parts of the country. So you look at places like Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, New York, they've seen a slow outmigration of population to places farther to the west and farther to the south. Like the Carolinas, Florida, Texas, California. And that's historical, as we've learned beforehand, with the mass migration related to the gold rush, but also the entire opening up of the West to the early individual pioneers and settlers that slowly moved out to the western parts of the country. And so once again, internal migration or domestic migration for those that live within the United States is key to understanding our key migration type.